welcome back to our vlog. I'm back with another vlog after a very long time, and many of you might already know I'm not in Nepal anymore. I'm in Tibet. Okay. It's been a while. It's been like 3 months already, and I'm enjoying staying here. It's a beautiful city, and today I'm going for a grocery shopping actually. We just decided to take out of camera and take some videos. I wasn't really planning to make any vlogs, but I decided why not. I thought why not, so let's go together and check out what's there. We'll be going to LIDL. I have heard LIDL is affordable compared to other grocery stores, so I'm going there, and it's my first time, so I'm quite excited. Actually, guys, I was thinking about getting a drone, but then since I am in UK, in foreign land, I'm not sure about the rules, so I decided to get the GoPro to get more stable shots. And yeah, maybe someday I'll get drone, but not now. I don't want to take any kind of risks right now. I'm new here, and nothing can go wrong. It's a GoPro 10, and it's very handy and easy to use and very small, doesn't attract much attention. I'm loving it. Look at this beautiful river. But I always wonder about one thing, rivers, canals here look quite dirty, not dirty, it's muddy. It would be much better if it was clear. It would look much better. Look at this beautiful scenery. Look. If only the water was clear. From the place we're staying right now. It might take us around 1 hour to reach there on foot, and I think we are about to reach there. Away from the door, and we'll be there soon. And I heard that we are not allowed to sit inside the store, so we'll not be sitting there. But yeah, look at it. There's Pesta. are finally here. I can see the building. My hands are freezing now. It's so cold. It's still autumn, but it's already so cold. Like, I don't know what will happen during winter. Like, I don't even want to think about it. It's so cold, guys. It's so cold and I don't like it. We are there, guys. We are there. Battery is about to run out. We are finally done with our shopping. Now we are going back to our home. It's already late. Like, it's so dark already. It started to rain as well. So it's going to be a long way home.